Guys, it's Diamond and I'm back with another. First of all, I want to do a disclaimer. I have on a shirt. It's just strapless. First of all, I want to put on a disclaimer that I have on a tube top, so that's why you don't see straps. So I ain't naked on here. So I want to show you guys the Olaplex treatment and a little bit of my first impressions. So I'm going to show you my first impressions and what I think about it. So yeah, moving along. So today I'm going to be using Olaplex No.3. I have never used No.1 or No.2 Olaplex, and so I'm kind of interested to see how this is going to work because I've never used No.1 or No.2, and I kind of feel like if No.3 is the take-home Olaplex that you use at home, then maybe you need to have 1 or 2 already like worked into your hair. So I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna be doing this video anyway. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys my first impressions. Okay, so this bottle's pretty small. Look at this bottle. It's like 3.3 ounces in it, and it says to use it once a week or 2 to 3 times per week if you have damaged hair. Yeah, I mean, it's not a lot in here. That I'm gonna use at least half of this bottle, and it cost me 28 bucks. So I mean this is a pretty good buck for like a small product. So I don't know, I feel like I need to see some results after the first time if it's like that. I don't know if they sell it in bigger sizes. I mean, I'm sure they sell it in bigger sizes, but how much is it gonna be though? Okay, so I'm gonna open it and smell it before I apply it. It has a seal on it, so if you buy it from somewhere and it doesn't have a seal on it, it should have a seal on it, so that's like a red flag. It smells really good. It says to use before shampooing. I'm gonna rinse my hair in water, and then I'm gonna come in here and put this on and then shampoo and condition my hair. It says to leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but leave it on longer if you desire. And I actually like that. So I do like that you do have the flexibility to leave it on for as long as you can. You don't have to worry about your hair falling out, because that's everybody's greatest fear, is that they're gonna use something new and their hair is gonna fall out. So I'm gonna go wet my head and I'll be back. Okay, so I've wet my hair. I actually went ahead and detangled it off camera because it takes me like 10 minutes to comb my hair out. Okay, so my hair is pretty much parted and it's washed, it's detangled. So now I'm gonna dive into this. One thing that it definitely reiterates on the bottle is that it is not a conditioner, that it is a bond builder, and it's not really just a conditioner, and so you do have to condition your hair after this. So I'm just gonna pour a generous amount, like they said. Rub it into my hair. Oh yeah, this spreads really good. Okay, so it coats my hair. I don't feel like I'm getting a lot back on my hand. I feel like it is absorbing into my hair. Okay, I like this already, and that never happened. I'm taking more of it. I'm gonna do this top part. A lot of people use this when they're getting color. A few of my friends have said that they use Olaplex, especially because they have colored hair. As you can see, my hair is like dark, but I still have color treated hair. I went from blonde to red, back to blonde, then I went to black. So I still have color in my hair, and so you can still use it for that. Then I'm just gonna twist this up. Again, hi Felicia does this with her Olaplex treatments. I'm actually gonna put the link to her video in my description so you guys can see how she uses it, because she really likes it. But this is just my first time trying it, so you guys can get an honest first impression, and you can get an impression from someone who has not used Olaplex 1 or 2. Okay, so according to the bottle, you're supposed to leave this on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but you can leave it on longer if you desire to. So I am gonna leave it on, I think I'm gonna do like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna gauge and see when my hair kind of starts to dry. And I may, areas that are already starting to dry, I'm gonna like hit it with a little bit of water, and then I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Then it says to rinse my hair and then shampoo and condition it, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks and feels like before I even shampoo or condition it, just so we can kind of see what the product does by itself. Okay, so I rinsed it out. I haven't shampooed or conditioned my hair, and I definitely feel a difference. And you can kind of feel this kind of smoother texture over your hair when you are rinsing it out. I feel like it really deeply penetrated my strand. While I was waiting for the product to dry, I posted on Instagram that I was filming this video today. And Olaplex responded to it and said that they were really excited. They responded to my post before, anytime that I've mentioned Olaplex or that I was thinking of using Olaplex. And so they have amazing customer service and amazing reach to where they interact with people, not just people that buy their products. And so that's really good. They just gave me this super long response, and it was in a matter of minutes. Like that's amazing. That is customer service right there. I mean, I feel like a celebrity here, and I feel like that's what companies are supposed to do, make you feel like you're a celebrity. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing. I'm gonna go and shampoo my hair and put some conditioner on. I'm gonna use my Monoi shampoo, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I absolutely rave about the Carol's Daughter Monoi collection. It is amazing. It's obviously from the Monoi plant, and it helps with breakage, it helps with dryness, but mostly breakage. It helps after one use reduce 98% of breakage, and that was my biggest issue. That is my biggest issue, is breakage, and I don't like for my hair to be dry and brittle and to be breaking off. Like I just don't like it. I am going to wash my hair. I'm gonna put this hair mask on it, and then I will be back. So I just washed and conditioned my hair, and I feel like the real test is when I style my hair and I diffuse it, and we'll really see like if it's really worth it. So I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm gonna do this, try this again. Y'all, I'm seriously not being dramatic right now. Like my hair is so soft right now. Like what? After that, I'm gonna use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, also from Shea Moisture. And as you can see, I'm putting a liberal amount on here because I've been wanting to try to see what my hair looks like when I put a lot of product on it. So this is an experience. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I'm doing on the front of my head. That way you can really see like what's going on. Okay, so I'm taking the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna take a glob of that. I'm taking a fairly decent amount because I really want to get it all over my head. Again, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I am going to take some of that. That on my head. Then you want to hit it with the water if it's like stiff, because mine is kind of stiff because I put so much product on it. But I'm trying to get those super defined curls. So I just split it up into sections and comb the little sections. So I have these little separated curls. I'm like scrunching it now since I have the product on there. So I'm done applying all the product, and this is probably the most defined that I feel like my hair has been in a while. I'm gonna diffuse, and then I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so I diffused and I am back, and here are my results. I love them. My hair is still kind of wet. I would say like 7-8% wet. And I kind of went through and separated some of them. So here are my results. So this definitely will be added to my regimen, and I feel like I'll check back in a few weeks with you guys and tell you how I like it. But so far I really like it. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and if you subscribe and if you like any of my videos and cut on your notifications, you'll be able to see whenever I post something.